Hello, it's me Danial and I am with my group members Muhammad Faseeh and Qainat. Welcome to our e-learning application named as Aik Taleem. We are here to break the barrier for brighter future. Join us in providing free education to underprivileged students and make learning accessible for all. Firstly, the login page for the organization user or individual user is visible. Then we have to sign up or continue with Google. Then we have to search our course. Then we have to select the course. Then we have to enroll ourselves in the course. Then we show the list of all the lectures. Now, in the next step, we have to select my courses. Then we have to select ongoing courses and select the course. Then we will see the modules of the course. Then we have to select a module. The video will be visible after completing one video. Then there will be option to play next or done for now. Now in the next goal, we have to click on my goals. Then we have to click on completed and select the course. Then we will click on certificate and the certificate will be visible and we have to download it. Now in the next goal, we have to select organization user. Now we have to log in or continue with email. Now we want to create a new course or we want to add a module. In the next step, we have to write the course detail and click on create now. In the next step, we have to add a module in our course. Then we will select the type or module. Then we will attach a file or link in our course. In the next goal, we have to click on upload for uploading the marks of the student. Then we have to enter marks in the mark sheet. Uploading the marks, then a bar graph will be created for the passing and failing students. Then we have to save. In the next goal, we have to click on the bell of feedback. Then we will move toward the feedback page. Then we have to create a feedback form and this page will also show us the previous feedback form analysis in the form of graph or bar. Firstly, we have to select enroll students, then we have to select the class, then we have to select the grade, then we have to select the subjects, then all subjects, then we will have to enter student detail, then we have to enroll the class. Now we have to select teacher rating, then we have to move to a teacher rating and as we see that Uzair Aslam and his rating as it is the rating of the teacher. Now in the next module, we have to select teacher management. Then we have to click on assign a class. Then we have to select the available teachers. Then we will see his free classes and we will assign him the free to attend the class and we have to assign a class to him.